Are you tired of trying countless diets that promise the world but leave you feeling deprived and disappointed? You're not alone. Many of us have fallen into the trap of restrictive plans that drain our wallets and energy, only to end in frustration. But what if I told you there's a way to nourish your body, delight your taste buds, and boost your energy without the hassle? Welcome to the Plant-Based Cookbook. This isn't just another diet. It's a comprehensive approach to healthy living that celebrates delicious flavors and vibrant ingredients. With over 200 chef-created recipes designed for everyone, whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, this cookbook will reignite your passion for food and health. Imagine enjoying hearty meals like creamy tofu curry or vibrant quinoa salads that are packed with nutrients and flavor, and best of all, easy to prepare. Our goal is to empower you with versatile recipes and a 30-day vegan meal plan that takes the guesswork out of meal prepping. It's not just about eating healthier, it's about enjoying it. And if smoothies are your jam, you'll love our collection of over 100 delicious plant-based smoothie recipes. This time, you're not just swapping ingredients. You're transforming your lifestyle in a fun, satisfying way. Break free from the cycle of dieting failures and step into a world where healthy eating isn't a chore but a joyful adventure. So if you're ready for a delightful change, let's dive into the Plant-Based Cookbook together. Your journey toward a thriving, healthy life starts now. We understand you're looking for easy, tasty recipes that fit your busy lifestyle while improving your well-being. That's why we've created over 200 chef-crafted recipes that are quick to prepare, packed with flavor, and designed to boost your energy and vitality. Imagine whipping up creamy hummus mac and cheese, protein-packed pad thai salad, or comforting market shepherd's pie, all in 30 minutes or less. Our recipes cater to various dietary needs, as they're 100% vegan, gluten-free, and oil-free, without compromising on taste. But the Plant-Based Cookbook is more than just recipes. It's a complete lifestyle guide, offering a 30-day jumpstart program to kickstart your plant-based journey. Over 100 refreshing smoothie recipes, a comprehensive grocery shopping list, and a 30-day meal plan to take the guesswork out of your new diet. By embracing this plant-powered lifestyle, you'll experience amazing benefits like a healthier heart, effortless weight management, clearer, glowing skin, and increased energy levels. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what Emily S., one of our happy customers, had to say. The recipes are simply stunning, bright, colorful, and full of healthy inspiration. If you're looking to add variety to your diet and try out some delicious healthy recipes, I 100% recommend the Plant-Based Cookbook. Are you ready to revolutionize your health and discover how delicious plant-based eating can be? For a limited time, we're offering the Plant-Based Cookbook bundle, including all bonuses, for a special promotional price. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your health and your kitchen. Click the link in the description now to get your copy of the Plant-Based Cookbook and start your journey to vibrant health today.